In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI avatar in Heygen. First, open your web browser, go to the Heygen website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the Avatars section from the dashboard. Next, click Create Avatar and choose the type of avatar you want to create. If your account supports custom avatars, follow the instructions to record or upload a high-quality video of yourself. Make sure you're in a well-lit environment, look directly at the camera, and speak clearly throughout the recording. Now, submit your recording and wait while Heygen processes your video. Depending on your account and the type of avatar you're creating, this process may take some time. Once it's finished, your custom AI avatar will appear in your avatar library. After that, create a new video and select your AI avatar. Type or paste your script into the text box, choose a voice if needed, and click Generate to create a video featuring your avatar. Finally, preview the video to make sure everything looks and sounds the way you want. If you're happy with the result, click Download to save the video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an AI avatar in Heygen. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.